Man, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy yngjay, man, and you see we back with another video game. But today, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro, I'm kind of real hyped, bro, because I don't know, bro, y'all boys don't know, bro, but I added the wheel spaces to the front. So now you see we got this sucker sitting out thick in the front, and I added them to the back as well. Well, you already know the wheel space has been on the back, but I just added them to the front, bro, and it honestly looks crazy. Only issue, bro, I'm not gonna lie to you, like, I have a 22-inch wheel, so, and the tires are 275s, bro. So honestly, I really want to lower my Jeep, bro, but being real with you, if I hit a bump going too fast, bro, my tire is gonna hit my bumper. You feel me? Like, this only happened to me one time before so far, bro, and I was speeding. I wasn't going that fast, bro, but the bump I hit was kind of crazy, and I heard my tires scrape the bumper, and it popped it unsnapped it just like that. It just unsnapped it just like that, because I didn't on this one, I don't know why this bumper don't have any screw holes. Well, it do have screw holes, but it's just on the inside. You know, I don't got my fender well and stuff because, bro, the tires are too big, bro. The tires and the rims is just too big, bro. Like, the window well gonna get, the wheel well is gonna get ate up, bro. These big old rims and tires, bro, is not gonna last, bro. But the reason y'all really clicked on this video, man, look at this, bro. This what y'all boys been waiting for, man. Nah, let me start it off by, I'm gonna start off with the first thing that I did, bro. Last video y'all boys seen, I didn't have my rear bumper on, and it was actually in the shop getting painted. And shout out to my paint man, bro, because he not only painted the rear bumper, but he painted the diffuser as well. And that motherfucker is spotless, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I know you hear the baby cutting up, the little idle it got, baby cutting up right now, but as you can see, bro, it's honestly spot on, bro. You can see my reflection and everything, bro. Like, bro did this one too, you feel me? They don't got no runs, none of that, you feel me? Nah, you feel me? Paint man went crazy, shout out to him, you feel me? And I know y'all boys probably like, a lot of people don't even be noticing, but this right here is a matte. It's a matte. It's hard to see, but this is actually metallic, shiny black, and this is the matte black that I have on all my my fenders. Even the skirts is matte, and even these fender flares are matte. You can see it better right here. This is actually metallic on my truck, and this is matte, and the hood is matte. So it give it a distinctive look, and even the front bumper is like a mattish color, but this is a shiny black. It's I ain't gonna lie, bro, you really had to see it in person, bro, but I feel like it honestly goes together so good. The color combination of the black and the metallic black and the matte black is honestly insane, bro. But my bad, y'all, I know I was on the bumper and stuff. Next up after the rear bumper, what I wanted to show y'all boys was, as y'all can see, we added the spoiler, bro. This spoiler, I actually got it off of eBay, probably like 80 bucks, 90 bucks, something like that. But I ain't gonna lie, this spoiler actually is hard, bro. Like, I rocks with it. It's not too big. It don't give it no crazy type of look from the side. You see what I'm saying? It's not too big, but it just give it a little poke out that kind of match the this big ass spoiler up here, you feel me? It kind of matched that as well. But if you look from the side, bro, you can kind of see. I like how it fit perfect. Like, it don't look like it's sticking out too far, but it's out just enough. And I feel like, I don't know, the back of the Jeeps, bro, I feel like honestly it look good already how it is, just because I put the tail light tint and all that over my lights. So I feel like that already give it a plus. And then the spoiler with the exhaust, man, it look crazy, bro. And a lot of y'all boys, if you a real OG, bro, you gonna notice that I blacked this out too. In my last video, bro, that was actually chrome. I didn't paint that yet. Probably the video before that was actually chrome, you feel me? I just spray painted it. I had to, all I did was tape around. I taped around everywhere else, and this was before I put the spoiler on as well. I taped around here, and I just sprayed this shiny black. I ain't do nothing too crazy. You see, it actually look good. It ain't the best though, you feel me? You can kind of see. It's just spray can. It ain't nothing too crazy, but from a distance, it's black, you feel me? Like, you can't really tell the difference, you feel me? It's not like, but I also, I hit it with a few coats, so that's why mine's is in there. Like, it's not going away. You can scratch it, you can do all that. Mine's is in there, bro. I hit it with like 3-4 coats, bro, because it's a smaller emblem, bro. Like, that ain't nothing to black out, bro. But not everything on this Jeep is literally blacked out, except for the reverse lights on the tail lights. I like the white on the back there. Let me show y'all. Real quick. Y'all probably like what I mean. So I ain't gonna lie, bro. I won't go for the blacked out look, but looking at it right now, y'all can't lie, bro. How it look right now, it honestly look good, bro. You got the red, the white, and the red at the bottom. The color coordination, the combo, how it is right now, bro, I'm really rocking with it, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. But I did get a recommendation on what color to paint my brake calipers. And what I'm thinking about doing is, bro, I'm thinking about painting them blue. The same blue as inside the truck. Oh, they got music playing. Brother. I can't get copyrighted. I would've went in there, but I'm not trying to get copyrighted. But the same blue that's in the truck, bro, that's what color I'm thinking about putting on my brakes, you feel me? Y'all boys, let me know what y'all think about me putting blue brakes on here, bro. I feel like it's honestly gonna look good. My only issue is, bro, it's not like I don't have nothing else blue on my truck, bro. Only thing I probably had to do is my car club sticker right here. I'm gonna probably get it changed blue, get some blue stickers and put it on here. See how that look, man. But I'm gonna do that after I change the brake caliper colors. And another thing that I want to do, bro, I wish the inside of my headlights was black instead of like chrome, so it'll give it a real blacked out type look. A lot of people, like, I was thinking about, bro, just putting tint over the headlights, because a lot of people just put tint on it over their headlights and just call it one, you feel me? And that's not a bad idea, bro, but I don't know, bro. I'm contemplating on that, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm contemplating on that, but man, this video, bro, I just was really showing y'all boys, man. We got so much more stuff we gotta do, man, and that we got done already, bro. So if you new, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, man. It's your boy Young Jay. I'm gonna catch up with y'all boys in the next video, gang. Peace.
Bro, no trigger happy, every Glock came with a stendo. Say when we spin this bitch, don't swing my dough, hang out the window. This bitch gon' do whatever I fucking say, like bitch Caprendo. She